Good noon, boys. Hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Boys, here I am Shushmita Dash, lecturer of ICT St. Gregory's High School and College. Though our quiz exam will be held tomorrow, isn't it? I think you all know this. Okay. Our question pattern is 5 one-word question answer and 2 short question, and there is no alternative. So you must read this chapter 2 full very sincerely. Okay, for one word you can read the whole chapter reading. Okay, whole chapter must read line by line for your one word question answer. And for short question answer, you can memorize what is network, some networking devices. Okay, must and very important is topology. What is a topology? What is PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN? Okay, difference between PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. Then must read some topology like bus topology, ring topology, star topology. Okay, and must attach this picture. If you have a question about bus topology, you must attach this picture. Okay, with details. So after describing this topology, you can read use of network. From using of network, you can read what is a computer, what is a cloud computing. Okay, use of network. Then you can read for short question what is a cloud computing. Okay, then you can read network related device. If you have a question, write some devices which is related to network. You must write hub, switch, route, modem, etc. Okay, if you have to answer. Okay, if you have to answer network related device, you must write hub, switch, not use protocol, user, server. Okay, not write protocol, user. Okay, you must write hub, switch, router. Okay, that's it for your short question. So I hope you understand what should you read for your quiz exam. Is it clear? Okay, now start from lesson 13, some more network related device. Boys, your quiz syllabus is chapter 2 full. Okay, not half. Look, modem, the most important device needed for getting connected to the internet, especially through telephone line, is modem. Okay, for getting connected to the internet, especially through telephone line, is modem. The word modem originated by the combination mo from modulator and dem of demodulator. This can be used either through cable or by wireless technology. Modem can be used either through cable or wireless technology. Some signal is required for sending data or information through the internet. Modem is such a network device that transforms the signals received from the computer. Modem is such a network device that transforms the signal received from the computer and sends it to the network. Similarly, it transforms the signals received from the network and sends it to the computer. So, when modem transform the signal received from the computer, it is called modulator. It is the work of modulator. And when modem transform the signal received from the network and to the computer, it is called demodulator. Okay, so modem is called modulator and demodulator. Earlier, low-speed dial-up modem was used. Now, instead, a high-speed cable or DSL, digital subscribers line, okay, must reach every abbreviation, okay, for one word. Digital subscribers line modem is used. Moreover, Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity. Modems are also being used in great numbers, okay. Then LAN cards. What is LAN cards? The device that is essential for connecting two or more computers is LAN card. That is, if we want to create any network, LAN card is a must. It is necessary for exchanging data or information from one node to another. The role of the LAN card is that of an interpreter. Now, in almost all the computers and laptops of all brands and in nodes, LAN card is inbuilt. However, in some nodes means connection points, LAN cards need to be connected externally. Due to technological advancement, wireless LAN card is a very popular device now. Okay, this is a picture of wireless LAN card. Okay, wireless LAN card. Okay, next topic is lesson 14, satellite and optical fiber. This lesson is important for one words, not short question, okay. For your betterment, it is important for one word. Look, you know that network is not restricted in an organization, nor is it limited to a city or a country. It has spread out to the whole world, which means that a signal reaches any places of the world from another. If the distance is near, it can be sent through the electric wires. Okay, if the distance is near or if the distance is closer, it sent through the electric wires. But when it is necessary to send the signal from one place to the farthest corner of the world, okay, when it is necessary to send the signal to the abroad, satellite or optical fiber is the most effective means. Okay, when it is necessary to send the signal to the far area, it is necessary to use satellite or optical fiber. Look, satellite orbits around the earth while floating in space. As it moves with the help of earth gravity, no fuel or energy is spent to keep it moving in space. The earth makes a complete spin on its own axis every 24 hours. Okay, if the satellite can be made to orbit once every 24 hours, from the earth it will appear motionless in the sky. This satellite is called geostationary satellite. So this satellite is called geostationary satellite. It cannot be placed at just any height. It should be placed in a certain orbit at least about 36,000 kilometers above the ground. Once a geostationary satellite is sent to space, signals from one corner of the world are sent there and the satellite resends it to the other corner. The signals can be sent through the radio, telephone, mobile phone and the internet. When a geostationary satellite was set up in space in 1964, a new era began in the field of communication. Okay, look, Bangladesh has also sent a satellite named Bangabandhu Satellite 1 on 12 May 2018 in the space. Bangladesh is 57 among the satellite launching countries of the world. So Bangladesh is 57 among the satellite launching countries. A new era has dawned with the launching of the satellite. This satellite will certainly play a pivotal role in building a digital Bangladesh by 2021. There are two kinds of problems in sending information through satellite. As the satellite stays far above the earth, high antennas are needed to send signals. Okay, true problem. As the satellite stays far above the earth, high antennas are needed to send signals. The second problem is an unusual one. The signal sent from the earth is a wireless signal, and though it moves as fast as light, it takes some time to cross the long distance. That is why in telephone conversation the speech is not heard instantly. Heard instantly. It is received after an interval. Okay. So from this lesson there is a question like two problems. What is the problems of a satellite? Okay, then optical fiber. Optical fiber, it is important for your terminal examination. Okay, that question is important for your terminal examination. Look, next one is optical fiber. Optical fiber is a kind of thin plastic glass. Okay, what is optical fiber? Optical fiber is a kind of thin plastic glass. Light signal is sent through the optical fiber as electrical signal. So through the optical fiber we can send light signal. Okay, through the optical fiber we can send light signal is sent through electric wire. A question might arise as to how light signal is sent through optical fiber. By this time you have already learned about infrared light. Through this infrared light, light signal is sent through optical fiber. First, electric signal is transferred into the light signal, then the light signal is transmitted through optical fiber. On the other end, light signal is converted to electrical signal. In this way, signal can be sent through optical fiber. It is possible to send a large number of signals through optical fibers. You will be surprised to know that thousands of telephone calls can be sent just through a single optical fiber. Okay, surprised to know that thousands of telephone calls can be sent just through a single optical fiber. Okay, then nowadays communication through optical fiber has become so developed that all the countries of the world are connected to each other through the network of the optical fiber. Most of the time, the fiber is laid out between one continent and another through under and water route. This is called a submarine cable. The satellite signal can move as fast as the speed of light. When it moves through the optical fiber, the velocity decreases by 1/3. In spite of that, the signal can be sent from one part to the farthest corner of the world very quickly through optical fiber, because the signal need not return from the satellite floating 36,000 kilometers above the earth. Okay, so this is the chapter 2. After reading this chapter, you must follow this sample question. Okay, so boys, hope your quiz exam will be good. Okay, read attentively. No more today. Thanks to all. Good noon, boys. Hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Here I am Sushmita Das, lecturer of ICT in Gregory's High School and College. Boys, our quiz exam will be held tomorrow, isn't it? The syllabus is chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1 full. From chapter 1, you have to participate some question like one word, 5 one-word question answer and 2 short question. Each short question marks is 5 marks. Okay, boys, listen. There are no alternative question. Okay, in your quiz exam there are no alternative question. Okay, so you must read the full chapter. Okay, like short question you can you can read explain the use of ICT in daily life. Okay, like short question you can read. Then impact of workplace. Okay, using information and communication technology in workplace. Okay, analysis importance of ICT in workplace. Okay, impact of ICT in social life. Okay, from this chapter for one word you must read every line. Okay, you must read every line, like what is the abbreviation of GPS, global positioning system. Okay, Bangabandhu satellite 1. Okay, suppose there is a question about EVM. Okay, EVM, important topics, virtual classroom, what is a virtual classroom, what is a virtual office. Okay, how robot helps in dangerous works. Okay, how robot helps in dangerous work. Okay, like this. Okay, like this you can first you must read thoroughly this full chapter. Okay, and I try to mark the important topics. Okay, for your exam. Okay, so today's class is lesson 7, information and communication technology in social life. Let's start. Look, websites of social communication, information and communication technology has made our social communication faster, nicer and more effective. Technology has made our social communication faster, nicer and more effective. Besides, many of our social affairs are on the internet. It has been said in the previous lesson that if you want to send or say anything to your dear ones, you have to send either an email or SMS. Okay, either an email or SMS. But what if what you are doing is automatically known to your friends? Then how would it be? Some websites of social communication came into being from this idea. Okay, information of social function, professions, liking and disliking photographs or videos of family affairs, etc., can easily be shared through one of those sites. Okay, from one of those sites. Which sites? Look, currently we have hundreds of websites of this nature. Like popular sites is www.facebook.com, www.twitter.com. Millions of people use Facebook, www.duopa.com, www.myspace.com are very popular among them. People of almost all languages use this website. Okay, boys, if you have a question like two popular, like write two name of popular website in social life, that then you can answer www.facebook.com, twitter.com. Okay, look, of those Facebook is used most. Millions of people are using Facebook. The number of users is gradually increasing in Bangladesh. Every user can create a self-introducing web page either on Facebook or on similar websites. The user gives information about themselves and display photographs, videos, etc. in their profile, from where they can find their friends. Here, friends is not meant in the conventional sense. According to Facebook, how many people are acquainted with someone will all be their friends. If your friend has a Facebook profile and if you ask them to be your friend, you will be friends after getting their consent. Similarly, if anybody sends you a request and you accept it, you will be their friends too. Thus, you and your friends together will build up your networks, so that social network. Okay, that is social network. Now your network will become gradually bigger and bigger. You can search for your primary school classmates who, perhaps now living in Australia, was separated from you for a long time. Okay, by the help of Facebook, you can find your primary section classmate. When you post any information in your profile, it will instantly be visible in a corner of your friend's web page. The feeling you send is called status. The feeling you send is called status. In Facebook and in Twitter, if you like, display any photograph or show any video that can immediately be watched by everyone connected in your network after adding them in your profile. Besides, your Facebook will remind your friends of your birthday. Then everybody will greet you. Not only your personal emotions but also advertisements of commodities, circulations of jobs are sent through this social communication website. Okay, even social movements are being organized through it. Social movements are being organized through it. Okay, it is widely believed that these websites played a very vital role in organizing the social revolution in the Arab world, especially in Tunisia, Egypt, and Libya in 2010 to 2011. Okay, this is all above or chapter 1. Boys, after finishing this chapter, you must read this sample question. Okay, so boys, hope your exam will be good. Okay, so no more today. Thanks to all.